Hi everyone, welcome to Cool Plugins. In today's video we will discuss how you can add ACF URL button to Events Loop items. First, make sure that you have installed and activated these 4 plugins. Navigate to ACF section in Dashboard and then select Field Group. Click on Add Field Groups button. Enter the field group name and choose URL as the field type. Click on Save Changes. Go to Pages and create a new page. Now edit the page with Elementor. Drag and drop the Events Loop widget. Select Layout and list item template as desired. Click on Edit Template. Now add the ACF URL button from Widget section. Now enter the text for button and select the field type, but here we are unable to do it. To enable it, go to Event section in the dashboard. Now let's search for event in which we have added the URL button. Scroll down and enter the URL in the field. Update the changes. Go back to the event template page. Now we can select URL as a field type. Update the page and preview the changes.